Hi, today I'm ready with Xiaomi Redmi 12C and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notification section. Just tap on it. This is the ringtone section. You can use here the notifications, just online one, but to do that we should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to mobile data. I just want to use one from the default sounds, so just you should switch ringtones to the profile. To do that, click to ringtones and select one from these available just sounds. For example, this one. Just here we should click to apply this sound, select this ringtone, OK. Just we can see that this ringtone applied successfully. Let's go back and we can see that we just successfully changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.